Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, I am back with another beautiful video. In this video, you will see such a beautiful, amazing Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very beautiful, are very attractive and adorable. I hope you like my this video. Thank you for support me. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos. I hope my videos are very helpful for you. Tell me in comment section which idea you like, then I will definitely make more amazing videos. So keep like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press bell icon. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep smiling. Bye bye.